Every season, I forage pretty much every wild fruit that grows around me, and my favorite way to preserve these wild fruits is making jelly. In this video, I'm going to teach you the ratio for a jelly that is pretty much guaranteed to set, and the most beautiful thing about this recipe, method, and ratio is that you can do it with pretty much any fruit. You can use this method not only with foraged fruit, but of course with just any fruit in general. Some of the best deals that you're ever going to come across are going to be on fresh produce and fresh fruit, and making jelly is a fantastic way to preserve the beautiful essence of these fruits and fill your pantry shelves with jars of jelly that your family can enjoy all year long. The first step in the process is going to be to make your own juice. Now, this is super simple and it's very straightforward. It's universal across the board. So you can use this method to make juice with any fruit. If it's a larger fruit, you might want to cut it into smaller pieces. But basically, you put your fruit in a pot, you cover it with filtered water, you bring it to a boil, and then you allow it to simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then you're going to strain it. Once the juice is made, you can go ahead and start the process of making your jelly. The basic ratio for a jelly that is pretty much guaranteed to set is going to be 4 cups of juice, 4 cups of sugar, and a quarter cup of pectin, or about a packet of pectin. And this is going to make about 7 half pints of beautiful jelly from the fruit of your choosing. So the first step is going to be to bring your juice and sugar to a boil in a large pot. We are going to be bringing this mixture up to a very high rolling boil, so it is going to grow quite a bit. Make sure that the pot that you're using has plenty of room for expansion. Once your sugar and your pectin have come to a boil, go ahead and slowly stir your pectin in, and then return to a very high boil that cannot be stirred down. And some people cook it for 1 minute, some people do it for 2. I'm gonna cook it for 2 minutes just for good measure. So when the mixture reaches a full rolling boil that cannot be stirred down, start your timer and cook it for a full 2 minutes. And immediately ladle your jelly into your hot sterilized jars. Wipe your rims before adding your sterilized lids and rings, and then you're going to process these half pints in a water bath canner for 15 minutes. If you're making pints, process them for 20 minutes. And that is how you make jelly from scratch using pretty much any fruit. Are you going to try this method? Let me know if you are in the comments down below. I'd love to hear all about it. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.